Welcome to another tutorial on MATLAB. In the last tutorial, we have seen about what are the different type of solver like variable and fixed type solver and where it will be used. Now the question comes like why variable type solver is being mostly used and how to read the variable type solvers, like what they are implementing, that we will see in the next tutorial. So in this tutorial, let's see what is actually a step system. So suppose I am taking a measurement over time. This measurement could be the measurement of heat or heat in a chemical reaction, or the distance between two bodies in a mechanical system. Like suppose I am implementing a chemical reaction which is mixing two chemicals, and a reaction will be performed when a particular concentration is being reached. That could be a scenario. Next is like suppose there are two blocks that are being attached to ends of a spring, and then you are pulling these blocks in both the directions, and there could be a point at which the spring may break. This could be one type of stiff system. So let's see like what basically over here the measurement data is showing. So gradually when I am measuring and measuring the heat in case of a chemical system, then at a certain concentration, once it is being reached, the chemical reaction exploded, for example, then in that case the amount of heat that will be generated or the temperature of the system will be much higher compared to the normal temperature that it should be happening on. At this moment of time, there is a sudden increase in the temperature, and as the sudden increase in the temperature is happening, then we need to sample this particular system response at a different sampling rate. Suppose this is S1, and till this point we are sampling it at a different sampling rate, that is suppose S2. So suddenly we are changing the sampling rate, and because the system is suddenly changing its behavior. So such type of systems are called step systems, and in this particular type of systems we need to change the sample time very rapidly, because suppose here sample time is 0.02, then here it could be 0.0005. So this is very high reduction in the sampling time, and if we do not do this, then suppose we are sampling this, then we will miss whatever is on the peak side. So what is the maximum temperature that it has reached, we will miss that measurement. So for this we need to have a step solver. So every solver which is having this S word in the solvers, those should be used to simulate these kind of systems. So that's why the S word is being used in the solver to see all these details and which kind of solution that it is offering. So basically this is all about the step system, like how it is behaving over time and in what scenarios we will be encountering such type of system, like in a chemical reaction or could be a mechanical action. These are two basic examples, but there could be multiple examples, but this will be more easy to understand, so that's why I have taken this. In case you are liking our channel, please consider subscribing, and if you have any comment or any suggestion, please share it in the comment section so that we can improve your experience of learning MATLAB in this channel, and we will cover whatever we are missing from our side. So happy learning MATLAB. Have a good day.